Hey guys, it's me uploading onto my cousin's game. We are recording The Binding of Isaac. It's a pretty fun game. I started off already. It was really easy because I just got this power up and I died. But we're going to be making a video on it. My cousin's doing something right now. You may have seen this in some other things. We just got a screen recorder, so we're good. Okay, so we just started off in the world. Let's go to the right. Usually there's not, usually there's more commentary, but I'm not that good with it. My cousin usually does it, though. He'll give you information about things. He's talkative. Oh, there's a bomb in there, but I need a key. I don't like these jumper guys. Why are there so many? There's too many jumper guys. Oh, my cousin's here. So are you going to talk for the commentary?
Huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what was it.
Stand right here.
Huh?
Stand right there. Then they can hear you.
Is that your first key?
Oh, it wouldn't let me pick it up. Yeah.
Your ears are still tears. You died already?
Yeah, I died once only because I tried starting the video up. I haven't been talking that much. Got my bomb back. Oh, no, it was troll. But you guys, we just set up this audio thing for the headset, so he can't hear the volume of the game. These things are what killed me last time, except they were the no-eyed Isaacs.
No, they were the bloody eye Isaacs killed you.
Yeah. Another bomb. Okay, guys. Moment of truth.
We just call them blood tear.
A magnet. Magneto.
I've got a magnet on my head.
Yeah, you guys, when we didn't have the string recorder, everything looked really blurry and it didn't work, but
And Isaac was not the right color.
yeah, he looked like bloody orange. Oh, that was easy.
You just killed Bloody Eye Isaac.
That wasn't bloody eye, that was normal eye.
Oh.
Except he had blood tears. I need more hearts.
So you just...
You guys, we're gonna have to... Oh, Magneto, I forgot! I can get those now. But you guys, I don't think I can buy a heart. Okay. Guys, should I do it? Tears up. Yes. Look at that, guys. Now we're even stronger. He's a little bit bluer. Can you see that?
Yeah.
It's like a purplish blue. Well, now Logan's gaming content's going to be 10 out of 10. Or maybe 8 out of 10. If he plays well. The Duke of Flies. Fight. Okay, you guys.
This was one of the first ones.
After this boss fight, I'm gonna end up giving the mic over to my cousin. We don't have face cam just yet, though. We'll be getting that later. When we do Twitch streams, there will be face cam.
Yeah.
Come on. Kill him. Bam! Oh, get him. I did that all with like one heart. Come on. Magneto power is so good.
Yeah, guys.
So good.
If you're watching this one first, make sure to go check out the other ones and see how bad we were with those ones.
Yeah. It's Max's dog food. It's called lunch instead of dinner. Okay, I'm going to give the mic over to him so he can talk about what's happening.
Hey, guys. So, one thing about this video, if you don't like seeing blood, probably don't watch this. Just don't.
You probably know by now.
Yeah. Oh, that's sad. They were picking on him.
I think the Magneto power is pretty good.
Oh my gosh, they're
They
ugly.
just popped each other. You hear that? They popped.
I know.
With the fire. Fire, it can be evil but good at sometimes. Yeah. Hashtag evil fire. It kills me a lot. I hope we get more views with this too.
I don't want you to die. Magneto's so good. No! You can't use Magneto for pills.
Which pill is this? We got pills here. Range down. No. Slower range, but I still shoot fast. No. They keep getting popped by the fire. What are they doing? Oh god. Kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, there's no keys that I have.
Yeah, if you watched one episode, I'm pretty sure he got really far range.
Yeah, I got far range. And in one of them, I was super OP. I had Steve, a belt, and mushrooms, and I was, like, super fast. I want to get Steve and Bobby in the same run.
I know, that would be so good.
I don't know. So good! I have half heart right now. You guys, it's over for me. Oh, it's over.
If you somehow survive this, not did you. You might be able to beat it.
Yes, key.
Oh!
Oh, power up, please. Bent spoon bender.
Oh
yes,
my.
this is the homing shots. I used a card when I was playing this at school because before they blocked it. This makes it so whenever I shoot, what it does is it homes in on the enemies, so it instantly hits them.
Oh, kind of like Cuphead with the green attack.
Yeah. You guys, I'm officially. Oh, I need the key. We're gonna go down. I really need hearts. Like, there's no way I can beat this boss with this. Look, see? How they follow it. Oh, this was the bad pill, wasn't it? This was bad.
What is it?
Yeah, speed down. Oh, Isaac versus Lust. No, it's the Lust. No, it's the Lust! Hey, they can actually see what the color of Lust is now.
Yay, finally. Yeah, if you watched our last ones, we had to keep, like, telling you what colors they are.
Yeah. The
virus.
Poison.
Oh
touch.
my gosh, that's ugly.
If they touch me, I poison them. It's Poison Magneto. This last room is our only chance. Wait, poop. Come on, poop. Come on, poop. If this is Monstro, I might be able to win. If the boss is. This is a really good run. I really don't want to die now.
I know, I don't want you to die.
I think we're going to do one run every episode unless the runs are super short. Oh, there's a chest there. I have one bomb.
You have to defeat evil ice cream.
Corner shot. Ooh. Okay.
Nice.
Please, hearts. You guys?
Heart.
Half a heart. Only half a heart. I'm going to have to use the bomb to kill it, okay?
Yeah.
I have 2 shots at this. You guys are probably screaming like, oh, do this, do that, and I don't know what to do though. I'm pretty sure they can still hear me, right?
They should. Guys, I'm sorry if you can't hear him.
Yeah. They probably can, because the mic's like right next to me.
Yeah.
Well, I hope the commentary is getting better and better as we go. We're trying to evolve our artiste. Oh, that's not bad.
Larry Jr. Yeah, Larry Jr. is pretty easy.
Better
He
than
looks
what it could've
nothing
been.
like the picture, though.
Yeah, there's only one of them in the picture. No. Oh, poisonous touch. If they touch me, it doesn't do damage. At least it should. No, I had the half heart. That's why. I forgot I had that.
I don't want you to die. You have, like, such good stuff.
Watch me beat the boss and then
Heart.
What?
Oh,
How did I do that?
nice.
I think it was the poop. I can
Good
win
job,
now.
Boo.
It was the poop that they lay down. Laying down them poop tracks.
Oh, yeah, guys, we also did a Pokemon tournament. I mean, not Pokemon tournament.
Pokemon Stadium.
Pokemon
If you got a
Stadium
screen
video.
recorder for that TV, that'd be good.
Yeah, then you'd be able to see that way better.
But we still gotta use the phone. But this way we won't run out of storage too, because we've had that issue. Of
Yeah,
running out of
we've been
storage.
having that issue a bit. The only time we're going to be running out of storage is for, like, vlogs.
You know what's gonna scare me?
What?
Is if this isn't recording the screen. I hope it is, but if it's not recording this, what if it's just recording the desktop and we're just talking? My HP's up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2
You
more,
look so
and then we'll have
weird.
Mom.
Nice.
What's this? K1. Oh, this is the one where they.
I know, I hate this.
It's so sad. I think it's just a bad dream because it didn't seem like those were bad because it said that his life was happy.
Wait, are you already in the cave?
Yeah, I'm in the cave.
Finally.
My range and speed went down. You.
Ew.
Yes, my Mew. Power Mew.
Nice.
This is like an amazing power up. What are those things? They're bouncing everywhere. They're kind of cute. Aren't they cute? I really don't want to kill. They look like characters from Clash. Oh God! Sorry, that was just my brother.
Yeah.
Actually, I think my cousin's dad. Boom, get him. Oh no, that's just Logan.
Not me, Logan. Different Logan.
Yeah, we have a big Logan. Okay, I think we're gonna go down
Yeah.
instead of to the left, just to explore like the upper and downer levels. Oh God, these things are red. They're so cute.
I know.
Watch this. Bomb.
They remind me kind of like puffballs.
Or fuzzles.
Yeah, fuzzles.
Oh, they shoot things. That's why.
Okay, guys. Once my cousin beats this round, I'm gonna give him back. I'm gonna give the headset back to.
Well, I think it's fine.
No, it's fine. So, yeah, here you go.
Hey guys, I think I'm wearing the headset because my cousin needed to go do something. Well, let me fix the cord. Okay, next room. I cheated. I didn't even have to go through the whole maze. Oops, sorry for the mouse, guys. Oh, I'm so dead. Guys, I'm not gonna win this. I don't think I can. Key. Guys. So I found the key. Ooh. Shoot. I want to give this last coin over to this guy because it says judgment. There you go. Good guy. Take that. I'm thinking I should use the key. 1 second, you guys. He's gonna use commentary.
Hey guys. I don't really know what to talk to you about right now.
I got a screen recorder for the computer and loading the videos. Yeah, and it was free. It doesn't record the audio of the game.
And guys, I'm sorry for our last videos not being too good because we didn't know that we could find a free screen recorder. So, yeah. And also, hit the like button down below if you like these Blinding of Isaac videos. And subscribe, please. You don't have to, but it'd be very nice if you do. So, bye. I'm going to give it back to my cousin now.
No, he can keep it on.
Oh.
Because he can still hear me with it.
Yeah.
You just put it on so you can.
Jordan, if you die, can I play if you die?
If I die?
Yeah.
This is my commentary video. My game, my Steam account.
But I want to play a little.
We're going to be doing that challenge later time.
I know, but before we do the challenge, I also want to try
Guys,
just a little.
You are watching this, can you please hit the subscribe button? We're really trying to get... Oh god! These are like an uglier version of the cats. And they drop maggots! You guys, this is a mini boss, I think, right?
Guys, if we hit 10 subscribers...
We're gonna be doing more challenges.
Like, if we hit 10 subscribers, I think we'll do mini games when we hit 10 subscribers. So, like, if we do hit 10 subscribers, then, should we play Mario Monopoly?
Probably, like, do a challenge and have a whole bunch
We'll do Monopoly Gamer. Actually, I think we'll do a Monopoly Gamer a bit later. I don't think we'll get to
I'm at half heart. I really don't want to die on this run.
Because if he does, it's my turn.
No.
Oh.